Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm here with a special guest.
Me.
Yeah, so today we're gonna be trolling this dude because we just noticed that he does not have where to have to friend him to be able to join his game. So we're gonna just join his game and we're gonna troll him. And everybody else on that server, we're just gonna wait for her to come in.
I thought you said sherbet.
No!
Everyone else on this sherbet, we're gonna troll them.
On the server. I tried it with one dude, but he wasn't having it. So yeah, we're waiting for my friend to come in so we can just see.
Yeah, I just was spent too much Robux on my character, and I look ugly. So.
All right, I'm just waiting for her to spawn in.
So how are we gonna?
Oh, what does that mean? What in the world does that mean?
I don't know.
She's not in yet.
Just start. I don't care.
No, I want to wait. Somebody just said staff back to work on the announcement.
Yeah, I'm not listening to one.
He's a basic admin. The dude
Yeah.
we just joined.
I am not an admin, so I don't care.
Oh my god. Are you joining?
Yeah, I'm joining.
Oh, it's starting it. Okay. But look at me, just like.
Okay, yeah, your character kind of looks just a little bad today.
All right, here she is.
Wait, you're in a bad mood today? Is that why?
Wait, oh, I'm gonna change my character really quick. Okay, I'm gonna put a different face on me, or I just put. They look retarded. Okay. All right, people. I do have stuff. Okay, I'm not trying to be a disgusting person. All right, we gotta pick a face because I'm just gonna put a really weird face on. One of my weirdest faces.
Wait, how do you even become staff in this game?
You have to do the what's it called, interview. Should I do this one?
Look as ugly as possible.
Okay, this is the ugliest thing I got. Wait, no, this is the ugliest.
No, this is derpy.
Okay. Wait, let's see what face he has. I want to see what face he has. All right, I gotta go up to him real quick.
These people.
I need to see his face.
Too much.
I know they are like crazy in a sec. Can I talk to you?
I'm not gonna donate no.
He said, "Can I talk to you?" Ew. All right, what face does the guy have? All right. Oh dang, I don't have his face. I need to mimic somebody. All right, I have your face, lady. She just came up to me, stared at me, and then left. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Wait. What's the ugliest thing I got?
Probably that scarecrow thing, even though it's not that ugly.
It's not my ugliest thing. I wear that all the time, but okay. Should I put stuff on me or just that?
Just that.
Okay. It won't I gotta reset myself so I can see if it adds my face in correctly.
Okay, I'm trapped in the stairs.
Oh, my face is here now.
I'm trapped in the stairs, so don't mind me. I will get out.
Alright. I need to do...
Almost there.
Sorry, my,
Do you know what the stairs are?
I don't know.
So go into the cafe.
I already am in there.
So jump. I have no clue where you are. Okay, so come over.
I'm the person saying that.
Okay, yeah. Come over to the stairs. To your left.
You were kicked from this game. We were kicked from the server. I got kicked from the server, did you?
No, I'm still here. Trapped.
Maybe because I was trolling. Okay, that did not work. Now let's come back a normal person.
I'm still stuck behind the stairs.
Oh, that's bad. Okay, I'll just join you. Okay.
I'm free. Wait, no, never mind. I'm not. Oh, I'm free. No.
Let's see if I can get in. Oh no, I just got kicked, so I can come back.
So you look like a regular person this time.
Yep. See what happens.
I feel like these are like famous
I'm gonna.
people.
You can't get rid of me.
I'm jumping on their tables.
I just told him he can't. Ew! Is that. No, get away from me. He's walking toward me. I can and I will. But I can always rejoin. If he blocks me from the server, then all I have to do. Alright, then I guess I have to act like a normal person. Chat logs.
So we're not trolling today?
People. These people are confusing me. They're acting like they're so sophisticated. Don't they?
Sometimes. I feel like they are too good for us.
That's exactly.
Oh! That used to be my old character until I wasted too many rubles.
Did he just kick her? Okay, we're back. We just had a little mishap, okay.
I'm gonna get in line and order something. What should I order?
Wait, a milkshake.
Rainbow ice cream bowl.
Why are they have so good grammar, and we're just, like...
Yeah, I'm a person, person stuff.
We're like... crazy stuff, like, we don't...
I want to get a chocolate chip muffin, that's what I'm gonna get. Wait, I can't even see what they have.
But now we can't even troll them. Well, I'm gonna get out real quick so I can change my character again.
Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can see what they have.
Avatar.
I'm gonna just get chocolate.
We need to get really ugly people, like be like the ugliest, lousy looking people in the world. I want to see if any of these are terrible. No.
Are you guys? I'm sorry, everyone.
He said, "Oh, I'm not." The music. Okay.
Okay. So, excuse me. Hey, I was here.
Oh, dang, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't put to everybody. I wanted to see if it worked. If I could, like, cheat myself in here. They want me to pay Robux to get on the roof. You are my fave dev, sir.
Press the period.
What period? What?
No, just not type it in.
No.
Just press it.
Oh! Who is you? Who is headless?
I'm trying to like have some good grammar right now.
This place is very extravagant.
I'm a slow typer.
I just said this place is really extravagant. I don't know. I don't know.
Isn't it a good?
What?
That girl doesn't.
Nitro HDX, okay.
I'm gonna say hi, may I please have chocolate? I have no clue what chocolate's gonna be, but
I want.
still waiting in this line. This line is not moving that quick.
Oh, I did not spell chocolate right. I think it's because we're filming so late at night that people are going crazy. Why are there so many people with so much Robux in here? God. Is it? I'm waiting for somebody to. I just said I want your finest chocolate, please, and he's like literally just saying okay. I got a chocolate chip muffin.
I don't know.
Well, this is what I got this is what I got because I said I want your finest chocolate, and he gave me a chocolate chip muffin. Menu is above. That just says whipped. It's up here. It's all cranberry muffins and everything. Random stuff. See?
Yeah, I'm gonna get chocolate muffins.
Do you wanna go like troll on another server?
Yeah.
Alright. We have to both get trolling though.
Yeah.
Not just me getting kicked from servers though. Oh, that would be so funny to watch. Me getting. Why is that there? Okay. So I guess I'm just gonna. What are you gonna do for trolling?
I don't know. But did you leave?
Yeah, I left so I could
Hold on, I need to
get ready. Well, what should we troll as? That's the real question.
Literally, this is the only outfit I have, so.
You can like be like that. Not.
So, how are you going to troll? Is the real
Nerds. Be nerds.
No, act like we have no clue what we're doing.
Oh, be like like noobs or like weird people. Weird people. All right, I'm gonna do the dirt face then.
Okay. I'm gonna just keep my face and my hair.
So I can't look. Let me see if I have anything that looks derpy in here. Ew.
I'll look for a game.
Okay, that we go into for it. All right, I gotta put. So would that what slime
Meep
crown?
City.
Slime crown. I remember I got that from Meep City.
Meep City would be perfect because there's always a lot of people playing Meep City.
Roblox logo, the Roblox thing, the free stuff. So I look like I really don't know anything. Too much hair.
Oh well.
Brown hair.
I don't know what that was, but okay.
Alright, what hair? Oh, chestnut bun. Or lavender updo. I don't.
Something on
Make that then.
Now I'll go to my avatar.
Okay. I'm gonna redo my hat, see what better stuff I have.
I'm gonna just go to my outfits and do a before outfit. Oh, Pilly. Okay.
That is definitely not newbie, never mind. Mouse ears. That would look weird with all my thing, but let's see if it shows up. Does that look okay?
That looks perfect. Perfect. Okay.
Alright, I gotta get my. Alright, go ahead.
I'm playing Meep City.
Sure. Oh, look, it has Mickey Mouse all over it. I don't know even why I bought that, but yeah.
I'm gonna join right now.
Alright, I'm trying to figure out what else. Let me see my pants.
There's a fashion show in Meep City. I have not played Meep City in a while.
Me neither. Why do I even have that? Ew. There's a lot of stuff. No, why is it saying that I'm trying? Why is it? Is it because you put me in a party? Because it keeps saying for me to join a game.
I don't think so. I'm a kid in Meep City.
I'm trying to see. I don't know what to wear.
I know how to play Meep City because I got a new account and stuff like that.
I'm just gonna have to wear the free stuff because I don't know what else to wear.
Yeah, so.
And then wear. Wait, I gotta take my packages